This is a recap of the first episode of the suspension bridge. A lot of head scratching, but I figured it out bit by bit, and we'll take it from there, putting on the planks, the locust planks, onto the hanging supports. I decided that the 5/8 inch galvanized hole and bolts that I was using to secure the cables to the ledge weren't strong enough. So I decided to upgrade to a 1 inch galvanized threaded rod. And so I drilled the 1 inch holes with my new bit. Next I'm going to use some salvaged coated aluminum chain link fence. It's about 4 feet high. On both sides. Then I'll fill in some of the low spots on the path to the bridge with rocks and fill, and then cover that whole thing with fine gravel. Add a few safety signs and tighten up a couple little loose ends, and the bridge is all done. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.